Hey everyone, if your Vivaldi sync is not working in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you step-by-step solutions to fix sync issues like bookmarks not syncing, tabs missing, or login errors. First, Vivaldi sync may stop working due to incorrect login, disabled sync options, outdated browser version, or unstable internet connection. Start by checking your internet connection. A sync will not work properly if your connection is unstable or slow. Make sure you're logged into the correct Vivaldi account on all devices. Yeah, sync only works when the same account is used everywhere. Now go to Settings, open Sync, and check that everything you want, like bookmarks, tabs, and passwords, is enabled. Next, restart Vivaldi. This refreshes sync services and reconnects to the server. An outdated browser can break sync. Yeah, always make sure you're using the latest version. If you set an encryption password, make sure it matches on all devices. A wrong password can block sync completely. A quick fix is to sign out of Vivaldi sync and sign back in. Yeah, this resets the sync connection. If sync is still not working, you may need to reset sync data from settings. This removes old corrupted sync data. Sometimes firewall or antivirus software can block sync connections. Yeah, temporarily disable them to test. If nothing works, reinstall Vivaldi. Download the latest version from the official website and set up sync again. For stable sync, always use the same account on all devices and keep your browser updated. Yeah, also avoid switching accounts frequently. A common mistake is thinking sync is instant. I mean, sometimes it takes a few minutes to update across devices, and that's it. You've successfully learned how to fix Vivaldi sync not working in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.